Hi everyone, how are you? In today's video, I will share you 5 email marketing tips and the secrets. Okay, skill number one is email scraping or email collecting. Now I will show you how to collect emails. Before we collect our emails, let's make sure your page result 100%. Go to setting, see all setting, make it this button to 100%, then save, click OK, click here, go back to Google, write if you want to search email addresses of YouTuber, double quotes YouTuber, close double quotes, then at gmail.com. This means for Google, search YouTubers email addresses with the domain of gmail.com. Okay, click search. Okay, you see, click Ctrl+C, select all, Ctrl+C, then go to HSuperTool, HSuperTool is a free SEO and digital marketing tools. Skill number 2 is email extraction. Now I will show you skill number 2, how to extract email from text. Let's show you. Go to HSuperTool. I'm already signed in. Go to email text extraction tool. Copy selected data, get a data. You see 80 emails are extracted from text. Skill number 3 is email validation. What is email validation? Email validation is ensuring to validate our email from save and for deliverability. Let's show you how to validate our email. Go to the same HSuperTool, go to bulk email validation tool. Bulk email validation, your daily limit is 200 emails. Click here, test our email, validate email, wait a little, click captcha, validates, captcha problem. %98 is accurate, this email validation tool. Wait a little. Okay, click. I'm not a robot. Then validate our email. You see, Okay, our email validation finished. Export to this CSV file. Save validated email. Okay, let's show you. See email, validated email, the result. Okay, the last skill, email, number 4, email skills, email schedule generator. Let's go to super tool, go to email warm up schedule generator. This is for sending the repetition to generate email warm up schedule to increase your email sending repetition. If you want to send 100 or 500 to 10 million emails, your sending repetition will show you. Let's, for example, if you want to send 500 email, generate schedule. Let's see together. You see the graph shows email increment. Day 112 number of emails increments by daily. Okay, the last skill is email subject line tester. Email subject line tester helps our email to deliver in inbox or promotion or spam folders. We have to help us our messages appeared on inbox. Let's show you how to check our score, email score. Go to email subject line tester. Our email must be attractive. Let's show you, for example, if you wanted to send for YouTuber question: do you want to increase watch hour and subscriber. Check this subject line for our email. You see, not bad. The score is 90. Let's change and show you another email marketer. Do you want to boost conversion? Let's see. Let's check if this subject line 95. Great score. This is our today's video. Before you finish our video, if you are not subscribed, subscribe my channels. This is our today's video. See you later. Bye.